Do you want to know what's going on in the immigration law world? Well, this video is for you. My name is Jorge Molina. I am a board-certified immigration attorney based in Dallas, Fort Worth, serving clients worldwide. And today, we're going to continue on our topic of corruption or the appearance of corruption within DHS. All right, folks, so last week we were talking about Mr. Homan being caught by the FBI taking $50,000 bribe. He denies this. The administration says that there's no impropriety, but we have reports showing that he did, in fact, get caught with taking money in a bag. But anyway, today we're going to be talking about something else, something less obvious, but it does give the appearance of impropriety. And this is what I'm talking about. It's all those no-bid contracts with private companies that run detention facilities. Currently, the United States government is housing over 70,000 non-citizens in immigration detention. And these corporations have been given a $1 billion contract and some other contracts. And the thing is that there's no bidding process. It's unclear winning these bids and why, right? But here's what's going on, okay? And this is where I say that there's appearance of impropriety here. Now, it costs about $150 to $200 to house a non-citizen in these facilities. It really depends on what state and the cost of housing them and level of security. However, this is what's going on nationwide. Let's say you're apprehended by ICE and you tell the ICE officer, hey, you don't need to detain me for 30 or 60 days. If you want to deport me, I'll sign anything you want me to sign. I just want to go home. I don't want to be detained. ICE used to do that, right? Because if your goal is, quote, mass deportation, it makes perfect sense, right? Just accomplish your mission. You don't need to do anything else or house or spend more money on that individual. But that's not what's happening. People, and I know this for a fact, I've seen the trends, the voluntary departures while detained have increased. Well, voluntary departure in general has increased about 800%. The majority of those are people who are currently being detained. So what happens? People are willing to leave the United States, right? So if you're the government, hey, your mission is done. But they're not doing that. They're holding them there and forcing a judge to grant the voluntary departure orders. Now, think about this. If the government's goal is to deport the greatest number of people as quickly as possible, why are they referring it to the court? Who benefits? Definitely it's not ICE, because they're responsible for more people, right? They're spending more money. They're less efficient. Definitely not the court system, because they're already overwhelmed. Who benefits? Could it be the facilities charging per person per day to hold those people? I'll leave it up to you to decide. Now, folks, if you like this video, or maybe if you don't like this video, leave your like, your comment, whatever you like. And to the haters, this is what I'm going to tell you. I love you. Remember, we are one country, indivisible. This is not the Republican United States or the Democratic United States. This is the United States of America. Thank you.